Vegetables name: carrot, carrot, peas, peas, spinach, spinach, broccoli, broccoli, potato, potato, bell pepper, bell pepper, tomato, tomato, zucchini, zucchini, lettuce, lettuce, radish, radish, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, eggplant, eggplant or brinjal, green beans, green beans, cabbage, cabbage, okra, okra or lady's finger, kale, kale, asparagus, asparagus, beetroot, beetroot, cucumber, cucumber, yam, yam, bottle gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, pumpkin, pumpkin, apple gourd, apple gourd, pepper, pepper, ginger, ginger, cauliflower, cauliflower. Good job, learners! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such content.